Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn some basic arithmetic operations in Excel. Hope you are aware, in our previous session we have told in every action or any operations or any calculations in Excel starts with equal to sign. Today we are going to learn 5 basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent. Let's begin with addition. Addition is nothing, just adding two numbers. So in Excel we have both manual inputs also we can give for calculation, and by using cell reference. Mostly the cell reference is the best way to do the calculations. Okay, let's begin with some basic examples. If I want to add two numbers, basically 10 plus 2, so I have to put equal to, I am giving input manually, 10 plus 20. The result is 30. The same calculation we can use by using cell addresses. Equal to sign. Now I am kicking the G12. The G12 is consist of value 10 plus H12 consists of 20. Now result is same. The same way we can do for subtraction. Manually, suppose I want to subtract or minus 50 minus 40. The result is 10. The same way I can use manually equal to 50. This is in G20 minus 40. This is in H20 cell. So result is 10. The same way we can go for multiplication. So manually I told we can use equal to 10 multiply 20. The result is 200. The same way by using cell address equal to 10 star into 20. The result is 200. Now come to the division. Division is nothing but splitting something into equal parts. Equal to 20 divided by 10 gives you the result 2. The same way we can use the cell address equal to 20 divided by 10. The result is 2. So now the last component is basically exponent. It helps calculate powers. Suppose 2 to the power 3 I want to calculate, equal to 2. Use keyboard, this symbol, and type 3. This is a manual input. Result is 8. Now using cell address equal to 2. Exponent symbol from keyboard, then click 3. Now result is 8. So finally, everything in Excel is based on cell address. So we have learned Excel is made up of columns A, B, C and rows 1, 2, 3. Rows, column, there. Cell address is created by combining the column letter and the row number. Thank you.